Welcome to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on how to sell USDT on Binance. Step 1. Click the icon. Step 2. Click Buy Crypto. Step 3. Select Sell, then select USDT. Step 4. Select the amount of USDT. Step 5. Select Payment Method, then click Next. Step 6. First, select Currency. Second, Payment Method. Third, Account Name. Fourth, Account Number. Fifth, Bank Name. After filling the information, click Add. Step 7. After the payment is made and the money is received, you can issue tokens to the buyers so that your USDT can be transferred to his or her account. This is Taiwan blockchain community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.